Hi everybody, I'm Khadijah Janae, and today I'll be showing you guys how I got these gorgeous jumbo box braids using the feed-in method. I've been wanting to do this specific hairstyle for the longest, literally like a year now, and I've just like procrastinated because I'm not the best hair braider. I struggle with gripping, which is why I did the rubber band method for my last box braid video, and that was so easy to do. And this time I just feel like I'm slowly getting better with braiding. My gripping still isn't the best, but I'm getting better. So I figured I would try the feed-in method because I wanted some knotless jumbo box braids, and I tried it and it was so easy to do. In this video, I'll break down in slow motion how I feed in each section of the braids, and I'll also like do a demonstration without the hair, just in case that's a little bit easier to you to like see it with my hands and like no hair. So hopefully you all can learn how to easily do some feed-in braids with the way I do it. So this is the final result. Each braid took about 5 minutes to do, and I used a total of 6 packs of hair. So this is a very quick and easy, cheap hairstyle. This is very simple, very easy. I also added some beads just to give it a little some extra. If you are new to my channel, be sure to subscribe. I do a lot of my channel is primarily fashion, but I do get a lot of positive feedback from my hair videos, so I will be incorporating more hair videos into my channel as well. So be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. I do a lot of protective hairstyles, hair reviews from AliExpress and Amazon, and I also have 4C hair. So for the girls that just don't know what products to use, or you struggle with finding hairstyles, I'm the girl that will help you get through it because I have 4C coarse hair just like you. So alright, so let's go ahead and get into the video, and I'll show you guys how I got these gorgeous box braids. So getting into the hair supplies, you'll need braiding hair, obviously. I got the Prestretched braiding hair from Zury. This is in the color 1B. It's 60 inches, and I paid $3.99 for these 3 packs, so it's a really good deal. I also went and got some jam, but I actually prefer you guys to get Got To Be gel if you have like more coarse hair, because the jam only held for like 1 day. Afterwards it didn't really look the same. So Got To Be gel is what I would recommend using instead of this jam. I also used a edge control brush and a comb. Got To Be free spray, and then I also got some foam wrap spray. Both of those products I used towards the end. Don't get that foam mousse, it sucks. No. I also got some beads to put on the ends of my hair, which is another reason why you want the pre-stretch, and then finally some clips and hair ties. All right, so I have some pieces laid out here. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4. There's only 5. I'm just gonna do 1 braid for now because I don't want it to get too cluttered. So I'm just gonna start with these 5 pieces, and then I'll slowly feed them in. All right, so again, I'm taking my jam, and I'm just gonna put this on around the area that I parted, just so my hair is like all tucked away and slicked down. I'm going to use my edge brush to brush it out as well. Alright, so I have my 3 sections here, so I'm going to start, I'm literally just starting to braid off. So I'm basically just moving the piece to the left to the right, and the piece that's in the right on the right to the middle. That's the only thing that's happening. So 1, 2, and then I take my piece here, and I'm gonna slip it in between. I'm just gonna put it in the middle part, if that makes sense. I don't know if I'm explaining that right. So I'm just gonna put this piece in between my index finger and my thumb, which is where my middle section is, if that makes sense. So I am just, here are my 2 fingers, I'm just sliding it right in between there. So now that I have it gripped, that's my The back end is the middle piece, and then this is the front. This becomes a part of the front. So then this piece back here, there's nothing on that back piece. Then I do 1, 2. So now I have a new piece in the front. I'm gonna grab another section. Here are my index finger and thumb. I'm gonna slide that right there. And again, that new section that I grabbed is in the front to my right hand side, and then there's a piece in the middle. If you're still a little confused, I am going to explain it without the hair in like a minute or so, and I'll like visually really show you guys how I'm feeding in the braid, so it's a little bit easier. But I used 5 different pieces per braid, and I did 23 braids in total, so it ended up taking about 2.5 hours to do this entire hairstyle. So you have your middle piece in your hand. So just pretend there's hair in this hand. So this is your middle piece. You're holding your middle piece with your index finger and your thumb. And then you're gonna take your feed-in piece, which is right here, and okay, so I'm holding it like this. Hold on. If I can grab it. Okay, so I'm holding the feed-in piece like this, and I'm holding the feed-in piece with my index finger and thumb. So I'm using my index finger and thumb for both hands. So all you're gonna do is take that piece and slide it under between the index finger and thumb on your left hand. So there should be a piece in the front and then a piece in the middle. And then you continue braiding as you normally do another 2 moves. So you do like a 1 and then another 2, and you should have another piece in between, or the middle piece should be in between your index finger and your thumb, and you do it again. So hopefully that makes more sense. I'll do it again. Separate my hair into 3 sections. Boom, boom, boom. And then I just start off the braid. So I do 1, 2, and then my index finger and my thumb. This hair's in the way. There's a piece of hair that goes in between my index finger and my thumb, and just slide that through. And so I have that. And then I just continue the braid. One, 2. Now I have this piece. Taking another section, slipping it through my index finger and thumb. Now I got a piece in the middle and a piece in the front. 1, 2. Again. so now that I'm done with all 23 braids, it's now time to style it. So I'm starting off by putting the beads on the ends, and I'm going to dip them in hot water. Initially I use clear rubber bands, but those are like more plastic, so they melt as soon as you put them in the hot water. So use just regular black rubber bands to add the beads. And then I'm going to use some olive oil edge control to slick down my edges, which you can use Got to Be Glue for that as well. And then that is it. This is the final result. Alright, so this is the finished result. I laid my edges. I kind of put on something so the braids could flourish. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like, subscribe if you haven't already, because I will be doing more of these videos. As I get better and better with braiding, I'm definitely going to be doing a lot more protective hairstyles for us 4C and other natural girls out there. So make sure you stay tuned for that. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.